Okay, so this security hack is great for that one night of the year in the UK where those of us who've got trab windows want to sleep with them open a little bit. So when I built the van, I went for traditional rubber sealed windows rather than the bonded type, even though the bonded type are cheaper, because I wanted the big wide openers, and you couldn't get them on the bonded type for the Red and Master at that time. You could see half the windows open here. But on that one night of the year where you want to sleep with them open a little bit, they are a little bit of a security risk. While you're sleeping, there's nothing to stop a stealthy burglar getting their hands in, sliding that window open, and then reaching forward to get to the lock and the handle and get in. Whilst I'm sure you could fit some sort of window lock, the hack's been around and you've probably all seen it, is you just drop something in the channel, a piece of wood, so that the window can only open so far before it hits that bit of wood and jams, and that is going nowhere. But I've turbocharged this hack a bit because I want to know if an intruder is trying to get into my van while I'm sleeping. So what I've done is that wood jam there, I've cut it a little bit short, about 30mm short, so it will move a little bit when the intruder first starts to open that window before it jams. And I fitted one of these. It's one of those window alarm things. Okay, you've got the alarm and you've got the magnetic sensor. The little white thing's a magnetic sensor. In fact, I didn't use that. I used the alternative magnet, and we'll see that in a minute, just to make it reach. So the alarm itself sits on the door, and you'll see that in a minute, and that's about 50mm below the actual channel where this wooden slide jam is now in place. So you see I've made an extension there and put a rare earth magnet on a couple of bolts just to get it down onto where the alarm is. So we'll show that now, and I'll turn the audio on from the van feed. So you can see it's in position there. The rare earth magnet is holding the alarm off because it's in contact, and then just as the intruder starts to slide the window a little bit, the rare earth magnet gets driven away from the alarm, and that is going to wake me up. So those window alarms then, the cheapest chip on eBay, Amazon, that sort of place, probably a local hardware shop. And the one I got there, you can see on the packet, is 90 decibels, which absolutely will wake me up. Obviously, I tuned it down a bit in this video to protect your ears, and most likely it will scare off the intruder as well. They only have to move off about 20-25mm from the alarm, the magnet is, for it to trigger, so you don't have to cut much off that piece of wood that you're going to jam into the window channel there, so that window will still not be able to open. It will jam way before the intruder can get in there. You know, on this channel we always do concept before construct, so you know it's concept only. Clearly that slider needs a little bit of tidying up. I might actually weld something that drops in there nice and smoothly, but it gives you an idea. So there you go then. Yeah, you've seen a hack before, but a bit of new life added to an old hack. A bit like me really.